Hello everyone, this is Owen Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com. Before you have natural gas on the weekly time frame. Just wanted to start off here because I was stressing in my last couple of videos the importance of this trend line here. And again, we have fallen below it and I think actually closed the week just under it. So I was already expecting that. Still looking for this 2.8 to be tested, and then we'll see if we continue further down or if we bounce off 2.8 and hit this trend line and then see a nice rejection. So keeping in mind that this is a head and shoulders pattern on this weekly time frame, it does look like the odds for further price retracement is more probable than not. I would say that the bullish case is very slim at this point in time. We rejected after a very strong move up last week. I'm sorry, the week prior, and we rejected against this 50 period simple moving average, and price has since come down, obviously. So what's going on is on the lower time frames, you can really get an idea of this price action rejection and this chop near this trend line. So as you can see here, let me just go ahead and zoom out just a little bit. So we're on the 4-hour time frame and we're looking at this 200 period simple moving average. I've been referencing this on my last few videos for natural gas as well, that we had some gaps here that we needed to close, and this one is still outstanding, still needs to be closed at around 2.853. That would set us in motion for a further test downwards to that 2.8 level that I had just mentioned. So basically we're fighting with this trend line here. We had some support initially, but it was false. We hit this 200, and again the selling pressure came in and drove prices lower. So what I'll be expecting is essentially, price to kind of follow through on some kind of a downward channel such as this, where you'd see price kind of come down here and maybe bounce a little bit and then shoot down. The aggressiveness of this move is gonna, it's gonna just really depend on, if this is gonna be the new line where the selling pressure just continues to fall in place, or looking at this 30-minute time frame, that'll probably give you a better indicator of what's happening. So again, looking at this 200 right here, we had the 50, we were riding above that, and that's where that support came back in over this uptrend line. We broke below here very very obviously, and now we stopped at the end of the week, the last 30 minutes of the trading day on Friday. We ended up right at the 200 again. So we may see a little bit of a bounce like we have been, where they've been gapping it up and then bringing it down throughout the week. So that's also a possibility here again. I would not be surprised to see a little bit of a gap up given oil's strength on Friday. They are related somewhat, even they are both in the energy sector obviously, so that may give a little bit of a bump to natural gas, but again I don't really see it lasting. And the other thing you want to watch out for, as far as the aggressiveness of this move, is basically, and I'm just going to draw this rough hand real quick, this is what you'll be looking at. So if this happens to fail here around 2.91 or so with this uptrend line right here that I just drew, that's basically going to be what we're looking for. So we're right here at this 200 on the 30, not far from this uptrend line. I wouldn't be surprised to see again another little bump up here, reject the 200, and then further southern price movement. So again, that's what I'm just looking at for natural gas. Still looks weak. I'm still not playing this area. I'm waiting for a more confirmed entry, and I'm just not seeing it now, and I don't like the way it looks. So I'm going to just stay out for now and then just wait for a clearer signal in my own plan. If you're choosing to play it, obviously, as always, please use your stop losses and manage your trades effectively. I'm on Wall Street. This has been a presentation of the TradersPerspective.com. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing. I truly appreciate all the love. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Let's get back to it on Monday. I'll see you all with an updated video on Wednesday evening as usual. Thanks again for watching.